Facebook has agreed to pay $725 million to settle a class action lawsuit over its handling of user data. The lawsuit, which was filed in 2015, alleged that Facebook violated users' privacy by allowing third-party apps to access and collect data without their consent. In the settlement, Facebook admitted no wrongdoing but agreed to pay $550 million to a settlement fund for affected users and $175 million to cover attorneys' fees and costs. The settlement will provide compensation to users who had their data collected by third-party apps without their knowledge or consent. The lawsuit was brought by a group of Facebook users who argued that the social media giant had violated their privacy by allowing third-party apps to access their data without their consent. The suit claimed that Facebook's actions violated the Electronic Communications Privacy Act and the California Constitution. The settlement is a major victory for privacy advocates who have long criticized Facebook for its handling of user data. The social media giant has faced numerous privacy scandals in recent years, including the Cambridge Analytica scandal, in which the political consulting firm accessed the data of millions of Facebook users without their knowledge or consent. In the settlement, Facebook has agreed to implement stricter controls on third-party app developers and to provide more transparency about how it handles user data. The company has also agreed to pay a $100 million penalty to the Federal Trade Commission (FTC) to settle charges that it violated a previous agreement with the agency to protect user privacy. The settlement marks the latest in a series of legal and regulatory setbacks for Facebook, which has faced intense scrutiny over its handling of user data in the wake of the Cambridge Analytica scandal and other privacy breaches. In addition to the $725 million settlement, Facebook has also agreed to pay billions of dollars in fines to various governments around the world for its handling of user data. Despite the settlement, Facebook continues to face legal challenges over its handling of user data. The company is currently facing an antitrust lawsuit brought by the FTC, as well as a separate lawsuit brought by the Department of Justice over its acquisition of Instagram and WhatsApp. Overall, the $725 million settlement in the class action lawsuit over Facebook's handling of user data is a significant victory for privacy advocates and a reminder that companies must be more transparent about how they collect and use consumer data. While Facebook has agreed to pay a significant sum to settle the lawsuit, it remains to be seen how the company will implement the changes required by the settlement and whether it will be able to fully address the concerns of privacy advocates going forward.